it is unharmed. It is totally fail of the company. My electric bike was $600. Just bought couple of days back is stolen, and you can see it was cut right through the lock, and this is steel wire provided by the company Kryptonite. See, this kind of security is claimed by this company, and who is responsible if it is stolen? I want complete refund from the company, because I just found it to be reliable. I trusted this company and the product of this company, but see, it is no longer worth trustable company. So I'm in loss. Let's see if company is going to provide me the refund for it, the complete refund of my electric bike. Because of this security company, my bike is stolen. It is not worth reliable. It was cut through, right through it. You can see right through it. I'm also going to file a complaint.
See, turn the key all the way. It won't unlock.